The school lies quiet in the darkness, but something is waiting, hidden from sight.
The door shakes. Someone or something is trying to enter.
The tower light flickers, each blink stirring unease in your chest.
A chair moves, alone, yet someone unseen seems to guide it.
The door opens slowly, as if welcoming someone, or something. The words appear without a hand, and your heart races with dread.
Books rise silently, each whispering secrets no one should hear.
The shadows converge, watching, waiting, closer than you feel safe.
The cameras come to life, revealing what lurks where eyes cannot reach.
The children sit, silent, staring, as though sensing your every thought. The shadow speaks without sound, writing a warning that chills your soul. The doors crash closed. The chill of unseen hands fills the air.
Footsteps fall softly on the stairs, but no one is there, and the fear grows.
Sheets twist and fly, each carrying a silent warning that chills the bone.
The bell echoes, shaking walls and hearts alike.
Branches twist into shapes on the walls, shadows alive with menace.
Shapes peer through the mist, unseen, yet you feel their gaze.
The message changes, and fear tightens its grip on your chest.
The shadow drifts to the middle of the room, watching every heartbeat.
Books crash down, smoke rises, wrapping the room in dread.
The lights go dim, shadows elongate, reaching into every corner with sinister intent.
The glass quivers, and something unseen presses, waiting to cross inside. The doors move on their own. A cold breath snakes into the room.
The books glide silently, shadows of fingers brushing their covers. The chalk writes itself, the question piercing the silence, chilling the soul. It moves along the wall, your breath.
The chair falls with a sudden crash, breaking the silence like a scream.
The fan whirls, shadows dance across walls, alive with menace. Flickering light exposes shapes, twisting and crawling like living nightmares.
A shadow detaches from the board.
A sudden light, and the silence presses against your chest like a weight. The rope shivers, presence felt but unseen, every nerve alert. The door crashes shut. The message appears, and every heartbeat feels deafened by dread. Each book crashes, smoke spreads, choking the room with unseen terror.
Steps fall softly, the hallway empty, yet fear grows with every echo.
Figures loom in the fog.
The words shift. Eyes seem to pierce your soul from the chalk itself.
It watches from the center, and the fading light gives it life.
Books rise and fall, smoke swirls, thickening the terror in the room. The message etches itself, and the heart tightens with dread. It moves with silent menace, each corner consumed by darkness. The crash echoes through the hall, a shock to the chest and nerves. The bell tolls, fear vibrating with every note. It moves, shadows twist into shapes too terrifying to name.
Figures in the mist draw near, unseen but undeniably there.
The words burn into the mind, a chilling claim of ownership. It dominates the center, and darkness becomes complete. Books crash down, smoke consuming the air, fear heavy in every breath. A distant bell tolls, freezing hearts in anticipation of what's next.
It disappears, yet every instinct knows it hasn't gone.
The chair moves. Whispers weave through the silence, unsettling the mind.
The words remain. Eternity, trapped in this haunted place.
Swallowing corners.
Darkness swallows the room. Terror now becomes tangible. Figures in the mist edge forward, closer, and yet unseen.
The words declare it. You are trapped among shadows forever.
And the school sleeps, but every bell, every shadow, reminds you that class never ends.